Ever wondered what it's like to experience a summer vacation in France? Picture this: balmy evenings, sipping wine in a quaint cafe, the scent of lavender wafting through the air, and the alluring French landscape painting a dreamy backdrop. From the sun-drenched beaches of the Riviera to the historic charm of Normandy, the allure of French summers is simply irresistible. But France is not just about the classic sights you've seen on postcards. It's a mosaic of experiences, each region offering its own unique flavor. Imagine hiking in the majestic French Alps or walking through the sunflower fields of Provence. And of course, we can't forget about the iconic city of love, Paris. In this video, we're going on a journey, a countdown of sorts, exploring the top 5 summer vacation spots in France. Each one promises a unique experience, a taste of the joie de vivre that France is renowned for. Get ready to dive into the top 5 summer vacation spots in France. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the charming region of Provence. This enchanting part of southern France is a tapestry of sun-drenched landscapes, steeped in history and brimming with sensory delights. Imagine strolling through endless fields of purple lavender, a signature sight of Provence. The scent of these beautiful blooms fills the air, creating an atmosphere of tranquility that you'll find nowhere else. These lavender fields are in full bloom from June to August, painting the Provençal countryside in vibrant shades of violet and offering a mesmerizing spectacle that is a feast for the eyes. But Provence isn't just about lavender. The region is dotted with vineyards, producing some of the world's finest wines. Whether you're a seasoned wine connoisseur or a casual enthusiast, a visit to a Provençal winery should be on your agenda. Picture yourself sampling a glass of crisp rosé, the sun warming your skin, as you learn about the region's rich winemaking heritage. Let's not forget the historic towns that dot the landscape. Places like Aix-en-Provence, with its elegant boulevards and bustling markets, or the hilltop village of Gordes, with its stone buildings clinging to the mountainside, offer a glimpse into a bygone era. These towns are steeped in history and culture, with cobblestone streets, ancient monuments, and charming cafes serving delectable French cuisine. For those seeking a bit of adventure, Provence is a paradise for outdoor activities. You can explore the rugged beauty of the Verdun Gorge, often referred to as the Grand Canyon of Europe, or cycle through the picturesque countryside, stopping at quaint villages and scenic overlooks. In the evening, unwind under the starlit sky at a local bistro, enjoying the region's gastronomic delights. Taste the famed bouillabaisse or ratatouille, dishes that are a testament to Provence's rich culinary tradition. From lavender fields to vineyards, Provence is a charming destination that encapsulates the essence of a French summer. This delightful region offers a blend of natural beauty, historic charm, and gastronomic delights that will surely make your summer vacation unforgettable. At number 4 on our list, we have the glitz and glamour of the French Riviera. Known in French as the Côte d'Azur, or the Azure Coast, this strip of coastline is famous for its sparkling blue waters, dazzling sunshine, and a lifestyle that exudes elegance and sophistication. Imagine spending your summer vacation lounging on the sun-kissed beaches, where the Mediterranean Sea gently laps at the shore. The Riviera is home to some of the world's most beautiful beaches, each offering a unique blend of natural beauty and luxury. From the bustling beaches of Nice, with their iconic blue chairs, to the private sandy coves of Saint-Tropez, every corner of the Riviera is a paradise waiting to be discovered. But the French Riviera isn't just about sun and sand. It's also a hub of luxury, home to some of the world's most opulent resorts and hotels. From the Grand Belle Époque architecture of the Hotel Negresco in Nice to the legendary Hotel de Paris in Monte Carlo, these establishments offer a level of service that's second to none. Here, you'll be treated to world-class dining, indulgent spa treatments, and rooms with breathtaking views of the Mediterranean. And when the sun goes down, the Riviera comes alive. The nightlife here is vibrant and exciting, filled with glitzy casinos, high-end nightclubs, and world-class entertainment. In Cannes, every night is a celebration, with parties that last until dawn. And in Monaco, you can try your luck at the Casino de Monte Carlo, an establishment that's as famous for its Belle Époque architecture as it is for its high-stakes gambling. But let's not forget the must-do activities for any vacationer. Take a scenic drive along the Corniche, the winding cliffside road that offers spectacular views of the sea. Visit the hilltop town of Ise for a glimpse into the Riviera's medieval past. And of course, make time for shopping in the designer boutiques of Saint-Tropez and Cannes. For a taste of the high life under the summer sun, the French Riviera is the place to be. Coming in at number 3, we're heading north to the historic region of Normandy. A land of lush green fields, dramatic cliffs, and charming half-timbered houses, Normandy feels like a page straight out of a fairy tale. But don't let its serene beauty fool you. This region is steeped in history, having played a pivotal role in many defining moments of the past, from the Viking invasions of the 9th century to the decisive D-Day landings of World War II. Normandy has seen it all. And it's this rich tapestry of history that makes it a fascinating destination for history buffs. The region is dotted with museums and memorials, offering deep dives into different periods of history. The D-Day beaches and the American cemetery at Colville-sur-Mer are particularly poignant reminders of the region's past. But Normandy is not just about the past. It's a living, breathing region, with much to offer the contemporary traveler. The region's natural beauty is a draw in itself. From the dramatic cliffs of Etretat, sculpted by time and tide, to the serene beauty of the Suisse Normande, Normandy's landscapes are as diverse as they are breathtaking. And let's not forget the region's culinary delights. Normandy is known for its delicious cuisine, which is as much a part of its identity as its history and landscapes. From creamy camembert cheese to fresh seafood and Calvados apple brandy, the region's gastronomic offerings are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or a foodie, Normandy has something for everyone. You can spend your days exploring historic sites, hiking through beautiful landscapes, or simply indulging in the region's culinary delights. After all, what's a vacation without a little indulgence? Normandy, with its blend of history and natural beauty, offers a unique summer vacation experience. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we have the majestic French Alps. Imagine a place where the air is clean, crisp, and invigorating. A place where the mountains are so high they seem to touch the sky. A place where the natural beauty is so overwhelming, it's impossible not to feel a sense of awe. That place is the French Alps. The French Alps are not just beautiful to look at, they're also a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. The summer months in particular are perfect for hiking and mountain biking. The trails wind through picturesque landscapes, offering stunning views at every turn. Whether you're an experienced hiker or a casual walker, you're going to love exploring the French Alps on foot. But it's not all about the great outdoors. The French Alps are also home to charming mountain towns. These tranquil havens offer a slower pace of life. The local markets are filled with fresh produce, and the cafes serve delicious French pastries. It's the perfect place to unwind after a day of adventure. And let's not forget about the culinary delights. The French Alps are famous for their rich, hearty cuisine. From creamy raclette to satisfying tartiflette, the food here is as impressive as the scenery. The French Alps provide a refreshing escape from the summer heat, offering adventure and tranquility. The majestic peaks, the lush green valleys, and the peaceful mountain towns make the French Alps a summer vacation destination that is truly unforgettable. And finally, at number 1, we have the iconic city of Paris. Paris, a city that needs no introduction. Known for its iconic landmarks, world-class museums, and romantic ambiance, Paris simply oozes charm and elegance. Let's start with the landmarks. The Eiffel Tower, the Notre Dame Cathedral, the Louvre. These are not just sights to see, they are experiences to relish. Each monument holds a piece of Paris's rich history and culture. But don't just stop at the landmarks known worldwide. Discover hidden gems like the Sainte-Chapelle, a lesser-known jewel that is just as breathtaking. Now on to the museums. Paris is a treasure trove for art and history lovers. The Louvre, home to the Mona Lisa, is a must-see. But don't forget about the Musée d'Orsay or the Centre Pompidou. Each museum is a world within itself, waiting to be explored. And let's not forget the romantic ambiance. From moonlit walks along the Seine to intimate dinners in quaint cafes, Paris offers a romantic backdrop like no other. But Paris is not just about sightseeing. It's also about experiencing the quintessential Parisian lifestyle, lingering over a cup of coffee at a sidewalk cafe, people watching, and simply soaking in the city's vibe. Paris, the city of love, is our top pick for a summer vacation in France. Its timeless charm and endless attractions make it an unbeatable choice.